Hey friend, I want to share with you today a simple, quick practice that can help you raise your energy first thing in the morning, help you calm your mind and bring some play and some lightness into your everyday. What are we going to be doing? We're going to be doing a Tai Chi boogie. Haha! Now don't worry, you don't have to have done Tai Chi before. All we're going to be doing is moving with some music and in particular, some chilled house. Yeah, Ben Bomer, if anyone knows him, he's one of my favorites. So let's begin with our Tai Chi salute. Fist with the left hand, palm over with the right, a bow and acknowledging all the beautiful people that we are sharing our practice with. Just imagine for a moment, thousands of people playfully moving in their rooms together. What a joy the internet can be at times. So let's start by warming up the body with some spinal twists. And coming to your breath, breathing in and out through the nose, relaxing the face. And then going to some freestyle spinal waves, just beginning to come into the body and find some creativity. And throughout this practice, I really invite you, if you feel you want to do something by just feeling the music, yeah, go for it. Love to see your creativity shine. So yeah, feeling the music and enjoying the ride. Reaching up to the sky, bringing some light movement, warming up the body. And making yourself big, give me a smile, hee hee, there we are. And then making ourselves small, making ourselves big, ta-da, making ourselves small. You have permission to be silly, and if you find it cringe to move like this, embracing the cringe. See, the cringe and the self-consciousness is a gift, because normally we run away from it, but if you can stay with it, that's a deep teaching, it's a deep practice where actually I felt the fear and I did it anyway. That's how we grow. Growth is on the edge of our comfort zone, right? Hee-hee. Let's do this with the breath, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in. All right, coming into tree trunk hugging with a smile on the face. We're going to say yes to the present moment. Yes. Okay, opening up. Our first move, breathing in and breathing out. Opening up, breathing in and breathing out. All right, now just a freestyle, maybe a two-step, classic. Whatever moves you want to do, now we're just feeling the music and maybe bringing a shake in. Oh yeah, letting go of any tension, oh yeah. Just being ourselves, playful, free, to be who we want to be. All right, maybe bringing some arms in with a two-step. And I'll slow down the two-step. 1, 2, will I slow it down? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, feeling that bounce. Nice, nice and simple. Just getting playful with it. All right. Freestyle, total freestyle now. Hee.
Yes.
You're looking good. I can feel it.
Yes.
Yee! All right.
Yes.
Tai Chi boogie. And relaxing the nervous system. Let's take a breath. Check you're still breathing. Breathing in.
Yes.
And breathing out.
Yes.
Breathing in. and breathing out. Let's go to our next move, which is fire. Fire raising up, and water, nourishing, cleansing. Fire breathing out, raising up, and water. All right, what is fire for you in this moment? Let it happen. Sound effects are encouraged. Water. Fire. Water. You're strong, you're powerful, you're fired up. Water. Cleansing, grounding, fire. All right, so we're just going to play with fire now. So what is fire for you in this moment? Just see if you can improvise. No right or wrong here. And remembering, if there's any judgments coming up about, I'm not doing this, I can't flow, then that is a gift. Something for you to work with. So just stay present with it. And that is the healing power of a Tai Chi boogie. So stay with it. All right, so we're doing fire. What's fire for you?
Hello, KEXP.
Last airbender.
Yes. This is the third one.
All right, moving to water. What is water for you in this moment?
As my
Let it happen.
menu options,
See where the body's going to take you.
if you'd like to say hello, press 1.
Hey,
Press 2.
hey. All right, feeling the water, feeling the water.
I'm alright.
Let's see what our next tune's going to be. All right, let's take a breath together. Taking a moment to rest, calming the nervous system, breathing in and breathing out. It's our last song for today. Let's start in tree trunk hugging. Taking a breath, smile on your face. Breathing down into your belly. Calming the nervous system. And here we go, we're going to open up, stepping back. Wow, ha ha. And energy ball. Nice. So playing with the Tai Chi energy ball now, allowing it to lead you. You're not in control anymore. The rule of working with energy balls is that they are in control. So where's your energy ball going to take you? Is it heavy? Is it light? All right, your energy ball's super heavy now. Whoa. All right, you're collecting some good energy. And we're gonna get ready to release it with the fire. Here we go, fire. Breathing out, fire. And water. Hee, fire. And water. Fire. Sound effects encourage. Water. Fire. Water. All right, now freestyle for the rest of the song. Doing whatever movement you want to do. Maybe you're going to bring in some of what we just explored as a vocabulary to express yourself with. And if your movement is small today, honoring that as well, remembering the practice of saying yes to what's here. All right, and we're going to meet in tree trunk hugging, taking a breath, Taking a moment to reflect how that practice was for you. Relaxing your face. And relaxing the arms down. And you are a bamboo in the wind, swaying, just bringing some light movement. So your challenge for today is a track snack. Tag me on socials, #tracksnack. I'd love for you, press play once a day, where put on a track and just move. Maybe do some freestyle stretching or some dancing like we did, Tai Chi boogie, and pressing play once a day, having a track snack, a little morsel of playful movement can be a beautiful light energy to start your day. You know, you go to work, you've got whatever you need to do, but you started your day with 3 minutes of ooh, ah, yeah, ah, he, ha. You know, life does feel a bit more fun, right, if you can do that. So yeah, let me know how that goes for you. Tag me, let me know in the comments. And I will see you tomorrow for the last day of the 10-day challenge. If you want to join for that, there's a playlist in the description. Sending so many good, playful vibes for you today, for navigating everything that you're navigating. And I'll see you tomorrow morning.